want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up, my people. Big up on yourself. Don't know the thing. Got new link there. Giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. Whoa. Well, people, see this morning I know. Maybe all afternoon we upload a video or evening or night. You get me? I say, cause this morning, while I'm doing this video now, I'm doing some business today, so I'm gonna be busy throughout the day. You understand? Some meeting and stuff. Cause you don't know new link going on. We have a lot of different things to deal with. Plus I have some donation funds that I receive for the girl that named Tashana. You understand, from one of my subscribers, them that I have to pick up and drop off to her, send off to her back in Jamaica. So you don't know the thing of my people. Big up on yourself. Well, here I go on now, my people. No joke thing. Zin? Why? I saw one of my viewers and one of my subscribers has reached out to New Link. And first of all, what this young man said to New Link is, New Link, big up yourself, attack. New Link, me rate you. And me one of your really subscribers them in a Jamaica. New Link yard it done. And I say, big up yourself, my virgin. Attack them. Because when the youth them give New Link the credit, you know, New Link have to say, attack. So people, this man said New Link, hear my story. Well, he said he's from down on the North Coast. He not tell me exactly if I'm over here or where he come from. Down from the North Coast. But he said he's from some part down in the North Coast. Like him now want to tell New Link. New Link could talk your address, brother. Summertime, me would talk. Well, this man said now people, right? All along, him see a lot of videos with Africa. When him here say, man stuck on them woman and there sitting there. Man it's like when you see two dogs each and can't pull. Yes. Him say all along him see African, but he only thinks say you have some acting skit them there, a joke thing or can you say you know say Africa full of them gimmicks, but the man say New Link. Hey, you know sir. Him do get caught up in this situation. Oh my word, oh my precious New Link. Him say New Link. Him stuck worse than a dog. New Link. Whoa. This man say New Link, here I go on now. Come here telling the story, you know, people. Him say New Link, here I go on now, right? First of all, me's a young youth. You get me? I say young chang boy. Man say New Link, me don't know how go rough kid, ugly young boy now. When you know what I mean? When can't get certain woman, but man say New Link. Me have a woman there. New Link, the woman look good. She turn up good, but it's a big woman for me. The man say New Link, but the woman is a married woman. Man say New Link, this woman have a husband. You understand? Me not see nothing wrong with the husband, but only thing wrong with the husband in the security work at night time. Yeah, the New Link dog, damn me supper to rocket. Him say New Link. Him say all along, him a go on deal with the woman because he say what happened in the people. Him say the woman and the man is not from the area originally where him come from. You understand? Meaning them come in a field place like they move, they come rent or something. So him say New Link. Him a go and chat till him do get into the woman and ting. He say him a go and do look a slapping. Him a go and put it on couple of rounds of time and things are go on. But him say New Link, one idea. What a film long time friend like who know these people from when. Find out say sit now go on and say to him say youth. Let me tell you something man. You see the man the woman turn far from her. Man say youth. You see the man there? You see he look black. And you see what them in her face stand up. Say youth. That man they don't play. Say youth. You see that man? Your precious New Link. That man is one of the biggest thinking over man you can't think of in a Jamaica. Him say, when you tell him that him kind of did have a look of fear in it and thing, but he say when he rally back him and say, chop, and I give kind of look back for Africa and say, yo, I gimmicks thing them man, I joke thing this. Him say, him not know, cause the wife, him say the wife not say nothing to him about to go on like say man find out or nothing, you know people, he say not say nothing. But him say the wife say the man kind of move a look a different way from who go where the go on. But him say he no say nothing cause a silent killer. Who you knowing? Him say one night now. Time stay. Him used to go there but not go there that regular no more people. Cause you know say but he say one night now him comes a boom. Circle over yard, they take the back fence and go over there. Go by the back door in the washroom part there. And say him in a bedroom me now start. You know what I mean? Caress up him nice. Pretty woman, big woman. Yeah man, big woman no play no. Kiss up and ting, rub up and hold on in a hair and be something I go on. Ooh, you link. Him say, when him go inside, I fall inside. And him start put it on. Him say, I enjoy it and him a fling it out and a fling it in. Him a fling it this and a fling it round this and a twist it this and a. You know what I mean, people? Him a put it on, man. Real young boy, a put it on the bigger man, you know. Aha, you new link. Him say, people, him feel like something just drag him inside. Him don't know what. Him say feel like something just wally sitting and pull inside. So him say, what the rat this and him try pull out. Him say, man try pull out and he can't come out. He say, man come sir. He can't pull out, he start say, Jesus God, what do me now? Can I say start? Yo, him say people, he come like a death thing, say this because he say something wall him inside, you know. Like a that, he say, human didn't now start ball or sitting and a be sitting. Him say, not the end now people. She can't shout him, can't shout enough for the day and a force. He say, pull you man, pull. He say, can't call nobody because yo, he does not want look the embarrassment. You know, a Jamaican go and him say, he no want nobody know about the secret, but his friend already know. And when he start think back now, people say, man think back, say, you know, say, his friend they tell him, say, the man they not play. The man they is one of the wickedest woman. Him say, he did it for about 25 minutes, people. Until he does feel something, just release him. Him say, he does feel release. The man say, he say, people he never put on in clothes good. He just boom down the pants and boom and jump through back door and gone. Him say from that day up until now, him not call a woman. He say he even walk close to the yard. If him a walk on the other side. He say he not going nowhere near. Him say right now people, him a plan to move out of one community. Because from that day that happened to him, he say have the biggest fear in his life. Because he said that is a warning the man gave him and could have killed him. Well, people, that's the man's story, you understand? But all I do link can says is a lucky look of boat, you know. Boy, you're lucky, you just bite the dust, boy. Because I thought them new link. Big woman, you're wrong. Big woman, you're wrong, you know. You know your husband tan. Because you must know when tan say deal with them things, them. Because I told you must mix nice sometimes dealing with things. And you know say the young boy life I go on that threat because you know this a man you go. Eh? And you still there when the man gonna work at night time because sometimes when you think of security working gone do a good little bit work. You never know. You understand? And see there, you make the young boy get tucked there. Eh? Oh my world, oh my precious new link. You know what could happen to this a young boy you know? Could have dead, you know? It won't could have dead. It won't could have dead. But when me that love you know to hear this side of the woman's story right now, one. But this youth of people him say him not contact the woman, nothing, he not do nothing, him block everything, you know, and nothing. He say that's done, right off, nothing. But honestly, if that woman yeah, please, you hear New Link talk about this story, and you see the story, please link New Link now man. My number go there below the video. Go on Instagram and DM me and link me because I want to hear you say what go on you know with us. I want to know where I do now. If you say nothing to you about it or what happened, you understand? Because not the end you know. I wonder something me I say. You sure the husband do it? One day for one next born man you man have and him do it. You do it. Well, people honestly, some of them women don't play. Some of them women are not easy, you understand? They're hard to control themselves. No joking about it. And in the day, you know, some of them when they do security work, boy, I'm telling you, sometimes you choose a wrong occupation, brother. But somebody have to do it at night time. But me I be honest, boy, when a man having your wife or a married man, you understand live with the woman. You know, if you would do the damn security work at night time, few much hours, right through the night, your wife alone in a bed. What you mean, man? While you gone there saying, man, somebody I go play. All the phrase got people try remember me because I no member. Say it for me in the comment section. Something like when cats away, dogs will play. Something like that, I can't remember. But all me I say people, see? Yeah? It don't make no sense. That's why me no want them to work there. Me no do no security watchman work on a night time on nobody place. When me have my woman in a bed, night time when woman want caress and rub up me, did a watchman place. Man go come kill me per man place. And then what them a go do? Go sponsor my family with a bag of rice, one bag of chicken and 2 bottles of rum while me gone. After them place still the day and then get a next man to watch them place. No sir. I rather go and go caress my woman and hug her up and kiss her up. Me have to find another job. Me have to find another solution. But me not do it. I see it now where the man go mix in a bangaran. Because I know people. You know right. But now I work with the nastiness. I devil work that day. Me not believe in night people. Fire! Attack them New Link. So see another whole look of something here people. A one bag of attack go on. Attack go on pan the man who attack the man wife. Attack go on pan the wife. Attack go on pan the man. The security man who gonna work the dirtiness, nastiness them. You understand? Attack go on from all angles, from all sides. That's how New Link do it. So you see before me go now people I want to say. Anybody would have on a story man. You don't know you can link up New Link and share with New Link. You understand? Yeah man, you don't know New Link going on. We broadcast story once and it fits to broadcast. You don't know the thing so you can DM me on Instagram. New Link _ production official. Link up on Instagram. Follow New Link and DM New Link on Instagram. You understand? And when you done DM now, you don't know we are going to contact you by WhatsApp and then that's so with us. You know what I mean? We release the story, all a conversation and thing. You don't know New Link do it now, we are going to all a conversation and thing. And from this now we take on the journey. You know what I mean? But when you link up man, I don't know people if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now. When you don't subscribe, hit that notification bell icon. So when you link up the video, then you will get them and pop up. Them just like a pop up so. You understand? So I don't know people, follow me on Facebook also. New Link Production, Twitter, New Link Production. And remember people, enough love now. And check out the New Link t-shirt them. You understand? Please check them out on Teespring man and support the thing. If you want to contribute to the channel, we have a PayPal link also below the video. You can make a contribution. Now remember, New Link Back to School treat is coming up in September and we'll be accepting donations starting from June. You understand? So everybody who want to make them donation, because you don't know, so we all try to get the funds them early in and put them aside for our kids treat. So everybody who want to make a contribution to New Link Back to School treat, no matter it could be $1, could be a 1 cent, if they are Jamaica, if you have a book, anything you want for New Link, for give to the youth them, anything on the day of Jamaica, if they are Jamaica have a bag of ice cream when September come and New Link reach Sunday, you know, come give me the ice cream, anything you want, give me some cone, anything. If you not some sweet, you know, want to go get New Link for get the kids them, you understand, become a back to school treat. It's on. And even if I'm not in Jamaica, if not plane or fly, the money will send there and my team in Jamaica will definitely keep it. So, but I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. I could have private jet me, I take me, I go there. So you don't know the thing of people, attack them New Link. Attack them New Link. Dog, stop no man or woman stop. Peace out.